Well, hello, it's Monday the 22nd of November 2021, and sometimes you've just got to grab the opportunity when you can, and this is a quick living postcard of Weddington Fields, barely a mile from where I live. This is the River Anchor. Everything looks great in the sunshine, and I'll just take a scoot around these trees, which are in full colour, full of their autumn finery. Oh, that's what you want for the winter. You want it a bit chilly. It's nice, kills off the bugs. Okay, I'll see you again next time. Bye.